In this tutorial, we will sweep a circular profile along a helical path using the Helix Creation tool to create CAE1008, an open ground compression spring. Open SolidWorks, start a sketch on the front plane, and sketch a 0.3875 inch circle at the origin. Activate the helix and spiral commands from the drop-down of curves from the command manager. Change the defined bisection to height and revolutions. Set the height to 0.35 inches, the revolutions to 7.7, and the start angle to 0 degrees. Also, make sure that the rotation is set to clockwise. Confirm the helix spiral and go straight to the Sweat Boss Base tool on the Features tab of the Command Manager. Set the sweep to circular profile and click on the helix for the path. Change the diameter of the profile to 0.025 inches. Confirm the sweep. Start a new sketch on the front plane and click the Intersection Curve option in the Convert Entities drop-down. Select the swept feature and confirm. Close the newly created sketch and cut extrude through all to model the ground end of the spring. To do the same thing on the other side, you will need to first create a reference point at the center of the spring end on the other side, and then a reference plane that is parallel to the front plane and coincident to the reference point. Activate the reference point command from the Reference Geometry drop-down on the Features tab of the Command Manager. Click the end face of the end of the spring on the other side of the spring and confirm the reference point. Activate the Reference Plane tool from the Reference Geometry area and choose the front plane and the reference point as references. You may have to choose these from the Feature Manager flyout if you cannot see them from the graphics area. Confirm the reference plane, start a new sketch on the reference plane, and use Intersecting Curve and cut extrude to ground off the end of this side of the spring, just as was done on the first end. Set the material and save the part.